What if teaching a child to tidy up wasn't really about tidying at all? Little Ella was just 3 years old. Every day after playtime, we'd gently ask, "Ella, can you help tidy up your space?" And every day, she'd scrunch up her nose and say, "But why? It's just going to get messy again." Chuckle, "Fair point, right?" So one day I sat down beside her and said, "Sweetheart, tidying up isn't really about the toys. It's about learning to care for what's yours, to give things a place, just like you'll one day do with your dreams, your choices, and your life." We didn't ask her to be perfect, just consistent. Bit by bit, her confidence grew, her habits got stronger, her little world became brighter, because a child who learns to bring order to their space is learning how to bring order to their world. At Neen Valley Day Nursery, it's not just about play, it's about preparing children for life. Come and see how we do it. Book your visit today. Located in Peterborough City Centre, shift-friendly hours, free 15 and 30-hour places available from 9 months old.